Okay, so good morning, good evening, good afternoon world. Kumusta po kayong lahat today? Kumusta po ang inyong tulog? Nakapaghanda na po ba kayo ng ating pagkain for today? Kumusta po ang mga bata? Naihatid po ba sa kanilang eskwelahan? So for me today, okay naman. Nakapagpasalamat na po tayo ng kaunti sa buong may kapal about tungkol sa programa tayo sa lahat ng grasyang na tanggap natin today, and of course for giving us the opportunity to face with today's challenges. So welcome po sa ating lahat. Welcome po sa ating munting programa every morning. Kung kayo po naghahanap ng karagdagang kaalaman tungkol sa trading, pwede po kayong tumambay dito sa aking munting spasyo. Simple lang po ang gagawin natin dito. Sisilipin po natin ang mga balitang may kinalaman sa market, mapa stocks, forex, commodities, and syempre kasama po dyan ang crypto. Isusunod po natin dyan ang pagsilip sa ating chart. Dito ibabahagi ko po sa inyo ang ating swing trading strategies, and minsan titingnan po natin or sisilipin po natin yung iba't ibang strategy na ginagamit natin sa ating pag-trade at or pag-trade sa market. But konting disclaimer lamang po. Disclaimer, this is trading is inherently risky and the viewers agree to assume complete and full responsibility for the outcomes of all trading decisions that they make, including but not limited to loss of capital. The purpose of this broadcast is for education only, not financial advice. RAFX, Rolly at Yansa, that's me, myself, mga kaibigan, mga BAI, take no responsibility for the veracity, validity, and the correctness of recommendations or other information or research here. Lagi po nating pinapaalala na double check and validate po lahat ng information bago po tayo pumasok sa anumang trade. Ang perang pinaghirapan ay ingatan po natin para hindi po tayo mapagalitan ni Mrs. at Mr. Okay? So, since nakapag-intro na po tayo, sana po again, sinusubukan po natin gawin po ito every morning, and meron po tayong konting technical problem sa ating live streamer. So, susubukan po natin yang i-resolve in the coming days, but for now, i-record lang po natin dito sa ating tahanan, and then i-upload po natin sa ating channel. And hopefully, meron po tayong makikita or ma-invite viewers na same dito sa ating area. Okay. So, balita market muna tayo. Tingnan po natin ang ating economic calendar. So, ang ating economic calendar ay magmumula sa investing.com, of course. So, tingnan nga po natin. So, today, ang titingnan nating mga pairs ay ang CAD. So, month on month for core retail sales. And then for New Zealand, we have the interest rate decision. So, since it's already 9:53, so nakapagbigay na sila ng kanilang decision. And if you see here, ang kanilang forecast is 4.25%, and the actual is 4.25% as well. So wala siyang change. Alright. So ito po yung sa ating economic calendar. Sa market summary naman natin, ito yung yesterday's trading activity. So green po tayo sa US 30, 8.7 10.7 points, and this is actually live. And then the US 500 is negative 1.8, Dow Jones is up 1.18%. 1.18%. And then the S&P 500 is 1.36, Nasdaq is 136, and the dollar, which is down, or wala siyang down 0.0 points as of this moment. So wala pa siyang masyadong change, but mamaya makikita natin kung ano yung actual na situation doon sa mga chart na yan. So yeah, that's the market summary. And then let's try to pull some financial news or market news, kumbaga. Okay. So sa ating latest stock market today, Dow racks up gains as retail tech stocks jump. So retail dahil holiday, di ba? So merong holiday na incoming. I think Thursday and Friday in the US is Thanksgiving Day. So siguro kaya medyo malaki at meron silang gains sa mga retail. Dow futures trade flat as Nordstorm and HP report earnings. New Zealand well placed to weather tough 2023, sabi ng kanilang finance minister. So RBNZ hikes rates by record 75 basis points, warns of economic slowdown. Aba, hike pala sila ng 75 basis points. Okay, so hindi na natin kanina. So bakit kaya para namang hindi nag-up? Okay, so tingnan natin yung activity mamaya ng New Zealand kung meron na bang down. So usually kapag nagtataas ng interest rate is humihina ang kanilang money, di ba? Dahil nagiging mabagal yung economic activity ng isang country, and thus it affects on their currency being used. Okay, so tingnan naman natin kung meron tayong makukuha sa stock markets. I think almost same news. Ang nangyari lang dyan is yung latest nila, ang ipinapakita doon sa ating latest. So US consumers propel Thanksgiving air travel to highest level in 3 years. So this is good news kasi before pa nitong kanilang Thanksgiving nagluwag na tayo ng ating COVID activity protocols, hindi lang dito sa atin but of course in other countries, especially in the US. So which is the main market na tinatalakay natin dito sa RAFX channel. So for those of you na bago rito or na naligaw lang sa ating RAFX, so RA means that's my name, Rolly Atienza. F is for finance, and then X is anything related to finance, stocks, crypto, commodities, ano ba, and then forex, and of course we could sometimes tackle investing, but most of the time nasa trades tayo kasi we are 80% trader and 20% lang yung nilalaan natin sa ating investing. Okay, so that's it for sa ating market balita. So let's go to our chart. So ito yung favorite natin. Dito kasi natin nakikita yung ating mga idea. So give me a few seconds to pull my tawag dito, ang ating mahiwagang chart. So may problema ang ating chart. Medyo mahina tayo ngayon. Okay, so that's okay. So medyo naglo-load pa siya mga bay. Okay, so I think this is ready to share. Yan. Okay, so hopefully you can see the chart, and simple lang ang ating pattern on this program. So basically we have to check on the daily chart, and daily yung ating sa daily tayo humahanap ng trend, and then sa 1 hour natin doon tayo kumukuha ng ating entries. Okay, so doon din natin kinakalculate ang ating risk, and doon natin nakikita rin kung kailangan na ba nating exit. So basically the daily chart is our high time frame, higher time frame, and then dito sa 1 hour chart natin yun yung ating setup. So yeah, so let's do it. First, of course, sa index, let's say. So simple lang po mga buy ang ating monitor. So sa ating chart is meron tayong actually this is just a moving average exponential. The green one is the 50 moving average, and the white one is the 200 moving average. This is actually for trend. Yan yung ginagawa natin as our guide kung ano ba ang trend. Of course, that is not just the tool that we need. The one at the bottom is the traders dynamic index naman. Basically it tells us kung confirmation ba ng trend is true, or ginagamit natin siya as not a really 100%. So siya yung nagiging guide lang natin na okay, so say ang chart natin isang price is nasa taas ng ating 200 moving average, that is telling us that we are still on the uptrend. And kung titingnan natin, that will be confirmed by the TDI kung nasa buy zone, or kung nasa buy zone naman siya. So if you will notice, divided yan ng 2. The upper one is the buy zone, and the lower one is our sell zone. Okay, so kung ang price is nasa taas ng 200 moving average, that's uptrend, and we are looking for buy opportunities. And then if the TDI is on the buy zone, then that's another addition that the trend is confirmed, or the uptrend is confirmed. Okay, so yun yung konting idea natin, or konting reading kung paano natin ginagamit itong tool sa ating strategies na ito. So for this one, of course, we have uptrend para sa ating US dollar. Oh, sorry, this is USD Japanese yen, so I'm not sure why, but we should check first the dollar index, kasi ang una natin is yung ating mga indices. Okay, so I believe this is the one we are looking for. Ayan, so let's clear the chart first. Medyo mahina ata ang ating internet, or maybe because this is sabay ng ating recording, right? Okay, so let's remove all the drawings para hindi siya masakit sa mata. So basically, uptrend siya, and kung titingnan natin sa 1 hour, hahanap tayo ng buying opportunities. But for now, wala pa akong nakikita buying opportunities. Okay, so later on, or yung patterns na hinahanap natin dito is syempre yung breakout dito, or yung swing na pattern, pwede rin natin gamitin. Okay, so wala tayong makitang opportunity, but let's try to split it out para naman hindi hindi tayo okay. So let's have that. So I'm using trading view nga pala, guys. So if you're looking for a good charting tool, I'm confident na magugustuhan nyo itong ating trading view. Okay, so ayan. So sabi ko nga kanina, wala pa tayong makita opportunities sa ating lower time frame, although the higher time frame is telling us that we need to look for a buying opportunities. Okay, so let's try to go to the next index. Ano yung susunod na item sa ating index? We have the UK 100. So siguro susubukan nating tumingin lang ng etong mga majors, yung UK, US, and then maybe Japan, China, and then Singapore. Okay, ayan. So merong so the daily chart is of course uptrend, and mukhang double top eto rito. So meron siyang double top dyan. So today could be a selling opportunity for UK 100. So tingnan natin kung meron tayong shorting opportunity or selling opportunity sa ating 1 hour. So wala pa, the trend is still continuing. Okay, ayan. So wala, so medyo uptrend pa tayo, and the reason why na hindi tayo naghahanap ng long opportunity unless ma-break niya etong double top na yan, then that's another story. Okay, but for now medyo overextended na ang ating uptrend. Okay, so we could be trading a possible pullback here, okay, or breakout ng ating high dito. Ayan o, naka double top siya, so pwede siyang mag-break, which is a breakout trade na pwede nating gamitin. And of course, kung mag-pullback naman siya, so titingnan natin kung it will confirm the downtrend. Okay, so for now, this is just a watch list for us na pwede natin tingnan every hour of the day. So that's UK 100, US 500 tayo para yung pinakamalaking US index natin. Let's see the daily chart first. Okay, so sa daily chart natin medyo nauuntong siya, or tama ba? Yan ba yung pinakadulo ng ating chart? Okay, so ang resistance natin is yung ating 200 moving average. And kung mapapansin nyo dito sa ating 1 hour, that could, a possible trade here is breakout ng ating 200 or pullback papunta doon sa ating 50 moving average doon sa daily. But titingnan natin sa ating hourly chart kung alin doon ang magpe-prevail sa dalawang trade na pwedeng mabuo sa sa US 500 index. So next is susunod dyan. So maybe we'll go to Australia. So basically, kapag tinignan kasi natin, ang na-observe ko lang mga buy is kapag ang US index is ganito yung ginagawa. Usually yung ibang index is ganito din. So especially ang UK at ang Australia. Ang Japan medyo nagiging outlier siya minsan, but majority sumusunod lang din kung ano yung ginagawa ng US. But there are times na nagiging iba yung galawan nitong index ng Japan. Okay, so that's why isa din to sa monitor natin palagi. So in here, overextended na. Okay, so meron na tayong cross dito. So meaning that is a golden cross sa ating daily. So that means that maybe we should look for buying opportunities at ating lower time frame. But of course, the lower time frames natin is meron siyang ibang idea, right? So let's see kung ano ba ang sinasabi ng ating lower time frame. So the lower time frame actually tells us that meron siyang breakout, diba? So nag-breakout siya dyan. Okay, let's try to keep that simple. So see, etong pivot na to is nag-breakout siya dyan, diba? Okay, so that's a pivot point na pwede natin i-consider na okay, so maybe we are looking for a breakout trades here. And kung titingnan mo yung kanyang left, wala tayong makitang struggle, and the next possible target natin is this one, diba? So that would be a very good tradable range para sa atin. Okay, so that means this could be a possible, so let's mark it as red. So ayan, so bukas siguro kapag kumbaga daanan uli natin ito bukas, and if meron tayong trade na nagawa, I'll share it with you guys. So same with other instrument or other symbol na ganun lang. So papasadahan natin siya araw-araw, and hindi naman kasi pwede na mag-trade tayo kasi nga meron din tayong work, and that's the beauty of trading. We can just especially sa swing trading, we can just pick an hour for us to check for possible opportunities and revisit it from time to time. So in this case, maybe we have to check on hourly basis and see if there is a development doon sa tinitingnan natin or nasa ating watch list. So the idea here is of course a breakout, but hindi tayo bibili kaagad dyan. Ang gagawin natin is we will try to, so that's a breakout, resistance becomes support, that's why the color is red. So tingnan natin kung anong gagawin natin. Of course, ang mangyayari dyan is we are going to try to test, to wait for a retest of this support here, and kapag medyo nakakita tayo ng bullish candle, then that's the time na papasok tayo ng ating trade. So maybe that would materialize, and mas maganda kasi siya kung medyo develop na yung trade. So at this point hindi pa siya ganon, but the one we are looking here is a retest of this one. Wait for a bullish signal and then ride with it on the target that we said earlier. That's the 2000 or the 28,674 points for Japan index. Okay, so this one is very good. So if you would I hope you don't mind guys, medyo tutuyan tayo ng ating tawag dito lamunan. Nakalimutan nating magdala ng ating water, so swing muna ang ating paharapin sa inyo. Kukuha lang tayo ng tubig. Pa. Ayan, dyan ang swing. Swing. Alright. So next is, sino ba pwede natin tingnan? Si Japan is tapos na. Of course, next is China. Tingnan nga natin si China kung meron siyang opportunity i-present. Let's check the daily. So time check guys is it's 10:16. Actually ang plan ko rito is of course 1 hour, and kung ano lang yung aabutin natin sa chart sana yun lang yung ating i-discuss. So hopefully the next day is doon sa mga chart na nakita natin is meron tayong mga trades and na pwede natin i-share sa inyo. So basically sa China on a daily chart is downtrend pa rin siya. It's trying to move back to the 21 moving average natin, and that is telling us that somehow we should look for a selling opportunities as a trade natin. And let's see the 1 hour kung meron tayong makikita selling opportunity sa ating hourly chart. Okay, so wala pa tayong makita. Basically the one na pwede nating siguro but this is, I'm not very confident on this one. This is called a fade the move trade. So meron kang resistance dyan. So let's change it to blue because this is resistance. So blue kasi yung ginagamit ko mga buy sa ating resistance. So pwedeng mangyari dito is of course mag-break siya dyan and mag-pull back. So fade the move ang tawag natin doon. So posible siya since we are looking for a trading selling opportunity. Kapag nag false breakout siya dyan, hihintayin natin yung kanyang downtrend confirmation dito, and we will ride it at least hanggang dito sa level na to. Yan. Yan. Okay? So yan yung ating trade idea para sa China. So hindi pa siya developed, mapapansin nyo. So let's wait for a few hours. Every hour check din natin yung yan. So So next is meron na check na natin ang UK. So okay na. So ano pa ba ang pwede natin? Singapore. So medyo interested din tayo sa market ng Singapore. Although today mahina yung kanyang volume, so let's skip that one. Siguro within the day kung pa-fluctuate yung kanyang volume, magiging interested tayo. So next is punta naman tayo sa ating commodities. So for commodities natin, ang nasa number 1 list ng ating commodity is oil, of course. So this would just not just affect our trading, but bisan kahit bisa naman, pasensya na kayo guys, medyo gagamit natin ng ating local dialect here in Cebu. Medyo matagal na kasi tayo dito. So sabi ko nga, ang oil is not just for us traders, but if you have the ability to read chart, ito yung magandang way para magkaroon tayo ng idea kung next week ba ay magro-roll back or pa-price hike ang langis natin or ang ating mga oil products. So as of now, this is good news because bumababa ang ating oil. So for the past few months, I think ang pinaka-significant na marker ko rito is yung kung kailan nagsimula ang war ng Russia versus Ukraine. So this is the green line, that's around February. And February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. November na. So 9 months na mga bay ang war na yan. And if you will notice, at the highest nung nagsimula is ang ating oil is pumalo siya ng hanggang 125.42 US dollar per barrel. So from that peak, medyo bumababa na siya, and kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong double bottom here, and that is telling us that maybe there is a trading opportunity down the 1 hour time frame. So that is support. So let's change the color into, what's the color of our support? Red. Ayan. Ayan. So let's check ang ating hourly. Again, ang hahanapin natin dito is trading opportunity, kung ano ito present na ating lower time frame. So posible na bounce na, okay, which is happening here. So that's a very huge change, okay, but of course hindi natin siya agad-agad i-take. So let us consider kung hanggang saan siya bumangga, and meron pa ba siyang mga kailangang, or meron bang tradable area pagkatapos niya bumangga doon. So ayusin ko muna to guys, buy. Ayan. So if you will notice, good thing is meron tayong huge bullish bar dito, and that one is a hammer, which is another bullish bar. Another consideration is of course nag-break na siya, nasa taas na siya ng ating 50 moving average, but nauntog pa siya ng konti dyan sa ating resistance. So this one is telling me that kailangan ma-break ko muna to, para magkaroon tayo ng magandang trading opportunity. So once na ma-break yan, ang ating munting target is etong area na ito. Yan, yung area na yan, and of course this one. Yan, ito kasi yung mga selling pressures natin. So ito kumbaga yung tinatawag nilang supply. Okay, so supply area. So meron mga sellers dyan. So possible na kapag naandyan na yung ating price, bababa siya ulit. And that's the time na kung kapag nakakuha tayo ng magandang buying opportunity here, and that would be our target area para sa ating pag-close ng ating trade. Okay. That's oil. That's oil. Next is, ano ba ang susunod? I think nasa silver. Okay, so silver is next. For those of you that are interested sa silver, so tingnan natin ang kanyang daily chart. Yan. So obviously na-break niya yung ating 200 moving average, which is a sign of buyers are coming in galing dito sa downtrend na yan. But ngayon nasa 200 moving average ulit siya. So titingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba siya dyan. So is it a good retracement or pullback from this high here and pagpunta dyan. And kung meron tayong trading opportunity na makikita, we are looking for long na siguro kapag meron sa lower time frame or sa 1 hour time frame is meron tayong makikitang long opportunity, we will take it. And kapag na-break naman to, posible naman na selling opportunity. Okay, so let's see kung ano ba ang meron sa ating lower time frame na ginagamit na reference as a trading time frame. Ayan, so medyo wala pa, nade-develop pa yung ating time frame, I mean ang chart natin dito, but I am looking on this resistance. Ayan, kapag na-break niya yan, siguro maganda na ang ating chance makakuha ng konting profit na pang bili natin ng sabaw. Okay, siguro makakabili na tayo dyan or makakapagluto na tayo ng bulalo, diba? So that's one opportunity that we are looking for a long opportunity. So dapat ma-break niya muna yan, ma-break niya yan yung long na yan, and then a retracement will be good, a retest of this one, bullish candle, and then up, and then target this supply area here. Okay, so ito yung ating supply area para sa silver. Ayan, so yan yung ating supply. So posible na andyan yung ating take profit. Ayan. Okay, so that's for silver. Time check is 10:29. Medyo maaga pa mga bay. So marami pa tayong maka-cover. So again, ganun lang. You go pick your favorite symbol, go with the higher time frame and what it's doing, or para makakita tayo ng bias ang binibigay ng ating higher time frame. And then we will go down to a lower time frame for setup. Okay, so ang bias natin is daily and ang setup natin is hourly. So this is for swing. Okay, but for it changes kung nagde-day trade tayo. So iba naman yung ating setup doon. So we will try if makakapag-share tayo or makakapag-play tayo kahit sa weekend lang. Share natin yung ating day trading activity kasi medyo mahirap mag-live kapag nagde-day trade ka kasi you are dapat focus ka doon sa time frame, and kasi mabilis kasi yung galawan doon sa day trading, especially if ang time frame natin na trade natin is 15 and 1. So kumbaga yun yung equivalent ng daily and 1 hour natin. So ang higher time frame bias natin is 15 minutes, and then the setup natin is 1 minute or 3 minutes. So medyo kailangan natin mag-laser focus doon para makita natin kung nasaan yung kanyang setup, yung breakout, yung mga retest, and makapag-calculate tayo ng ating risk and yung mga targets natin. Okay, so yun. Okay, so next is tingnan nga natin ang sugar. Okay, pa rin. Let's just check kung ano yung ginagawa ng ating daily. Medyo range. Mabay ang ating sugar. Yan, diba? So, medyo kapag ganito yung ginagawa ng daily, kumbaga iniiwasan natin kasi mahirap kasing i-trade, to be honest, ang ranging market. So mas maganda kung makakapag-establish na siya ng kanyang trend, is either downtrend or uptrend, kasi mas magaganda yung opportunity as for me lang so doon kasi tayo mas kampante sa trading market, sa trending market. Okay, so let's skip sugar for now. Let's check cotton. Okay, so this one is good because meron siyang trend, kung mapapansin nyo, downtrend siya because the price is under the 200 and the 50 moving average, and kung lalagyan natin yan dyan ng trend line, so let's put it this way para makita natin, confirm natin yung kanyang downtrend. So yan yung kanyang trend line, diba? So downtrend pa siya, and ang TDI natin is confirmed, nasa buy na nasa sell zone. So this means that we should look for a selling opportunity sa ating lower time frame. Tingnan nga natin kung meron tayong selling opportunity na makikita. Okay. So this is cotton. So probably the idea here is I think dahil to sa nagre-record din tayo kaya medyo lag yung ating charting tool. So ayan. So that's the support that we are looking for. So ang posible dyan is, let's make the bars ayan. Ayan. So this is a very good 3-bar play, diba? So ang 3-bar play is originally ginagamit ni Jared Wesley. He is one of my favorite trader, and 3-bar play is a breakout play. Kumbaga tulad nito, meron siyang wide range bar, and then the second bar is below the 50% of this one, and nag-break siya. So that would be the tawag na to, yan yung kanyang entry kasi nag-break na siya dyan. And ang ating stop loss should be some below of this one, but we will calculate it later using our ATR. So hopefully we could capture this trade as well. So let's mark it as red para pag-bisita natin siya mamaya ulit after a few hours, makikita natin kung ano na ang development. So the idea here is kapag naglalagay tayo ng sell limit na order, and then kapag na-hit yon, the target is somewhere around here. Okay? So that's for the cotton. Diba? Mukhang maganda yung setup na to Okay? Okay. So what's next? So akalain na medyo nakakahingal din pala ito mag-discuss, but this is a good one because on a daily basis mga buy is yung mga pinagsasabi ko rito sa inyo is nasa utak ko lang kasi ako lang dito nasa room, and this is a very good way for me to express myself kung ano yung trade na ginagawa natin, at para mailabas natin siya out loud, ma-share natin. So kumbaga hindi lang natin iniisip palagi. So this is a very good opportunity for me na mailabas ko yung aking iniisip and ma-share natin sa inyo. So ayun. So that's a good idea, di ba? So maybe we could sustain this daily program natin. So hopefully this is another attempt to continuously improve our channel and our opportunity na ma-share sa inyo yung ating trading style. Of course, again, kung mahilig kayo sa trades and medyo na ito yung bibigay sa inyo ng idea na pwede kayong kumita rito, of course you are welcome, and kung beginner pa lang kayo, we will try to accommodate all the questions you have. Lagay niya lang sa comments yung tanong, and we will try to answer it. So next, para marami tayong makover, diba? So next is natural gas. Check muna natin ang kanyang daily. So on the daily chart, we are on an uptrend. The price is above 250 moving average natin, but the TDI is still on the sell zone, so medyo hindi pa tayo 100%, and that's confirmed kasi bago nyo palang na break etong pivot na to, and posible dyan na magtuloy-tuloy, and we are looking for a retest. But ang daily natin is hindi siya yung ating setup. Hindi tayo dyan naghahanap ng setup. Ginagamit natin dito ang daily as our trend bias. And saan tayo naghahanap ng ating setup? Sa ating lower time frame, which is in this case the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so tingnan natin kung meron tayong possible trade here, which is nag-breakout na siya dyan. Ito yung break niya. Ayan, bago pa lang niya na-break. Dapat pala, okay. So, yeah, this one is a good one. So, we will mark it as red para pupuntahan kagad natin siya kapag nag-check ulit tayo in coming hours. Ayan. So basically, ang trend is here. We are going to have a long bias. Nagkakaroon tayo ng long bias. So ang nangyayari dyan is, let's wait na ma-break niya muna, and then a retest, and our target is somewhere around here. Diba? Kasi magandang trading void ito, or area na i-trade. That would be a very good trading area para sa long natin. So that is for NG or natural gas. Pala, so nagre-record. Kailangan ba natin upgrade? How about copper? Time check, guys, or mga buy. It's 10:42 AM. So again, this is not live kasi meron pang technical details or technical problem ang ating streamer. Medyo hinahanapan pa natin ng way na ma-solve yung problem sa ating daily o sa pag-live natin, but sana ma-solve. Anyway, again, let's go back on how we read the chart. Very simple and very boring, ganun lang talaga ang trading. So the bias on the daily is down, right? So down siya, and nagba-bounce siya dyan sa 50 moving average. So posible na it could go back there because of the green candle yesterday, diba? So let's try to see kung bibigay ba ang 1 hour ng buying opportunity. Let's see kung meron ba tayong buying opportunity. So again, sabi nga ni Jared Wesley, huwag nating ibigay ang ating opinion sa chart. Let the chart speak to us. So makinig tayo sa sinasabi ng chart sa atin. Okay, so here's a good one. Na-break niya yung kanyang moving average. Tingnan natin kung mas visible siya, kasi mas maganda kung makikita natin in actuality yung trend. Okay. So, medyo maaga pa. Hindi pa tayo pwedeng pumasok dyan kasi ang titingnan natin is kapag na-break niya yan, so dapat ma-break niya din yung trend line. Okay, from there, hindi pa tayo agad-agad papasok. So, we will confirm kung meron ba tayong breakout. So, maybe etong area na to. Ayan. Or this one. Salihan natin yan para talagang matindi. Yan, diba? So first, na cross na natin yung moving average. The next target would be, but in reality, kung titingnan mo, nasa ilalim siya, bumalik siya, nag-pullback siya dyan. So medyo hindi maganda. But this would be a good buy setup kapag na-break niya itong trend line na yan. So that's a turnaround, good turnaround na pabalik na siya dito. Okay, but of course hindi tayo basta-basta papasok dyan. Kailangan muna nating mag-break itong resistance na to para makapagbigay siya sa atin ng very good void area. So ang void area is a trading area. So Sir Jared Wesley, so sana hindi ka magalit or you would not be mad if I am using some of your terms here. Okay, so idol kasi kita. So yan. So next is, that's for copper. I think we could still cover a few. So I am interested in majors on FX para naman makapag-cover din tayo ng Forex. And later, so ano pa bang nasa lista natin? Forex and crypto siguro, crypto and stock. So let's one Forex chart, and then 2 or 3 crypto kung makakaya pa, and then let's look for stock. Tingnan muna natin si USD JPY. Let's go on a higher time frame, daily chart. Bias is uptrend. Hourly is, let's wait for, look for a buying opportunity. Okay. That's a wide range bar, but hindi niya na-break etong ating pivot. Etong pivot. Yan. Mas maganda kung ma-break niya yan dyan, pivot, and then we'll talk again. Okay? So kapag na-break niya yan, so of course the initial target is there, but the longer target is this one and that one. Okay, good na na-mark na natin siya as red kasi that's an opportunity. Tingnan nga natin kung nandito na ba ang crypto sa ating daily chart. Wala tayong crypto. Okay, so let's pull our list, crypto pairs. Okay, so let's go to the largest or large caps on crypto. Pero pa bang iba? Of course, number 1 dyan ay ang Bitcoin. maganda ang crypto market dahil sa mga nangyayari, especially sa FTX. But I believe the crypto market will stay. So ingat lang tayo dito sa crypto. Down pa rin siya. So yan. Mula sa ito ba yung all-time high? Yan. All-time ang high natin is around 68k, and now nasa isa, diba? And ang bad news is na-break niya pa yung support sa 18k, ha? So, na-break niya pa yung ano na yan, yung kanyang support. Okay, so I think the rest is ganun din ang mangyayari doon sa ibang crypto. So tingnan natin kung true sa case ni second Honor Ethereum. Medyo pareho lang sila ng move or ng galaw, diba? Yan. How about si XRP? Same. Sino ba ang interesado tayo doon sa mga malatasang volume? Okay, so si Sol yata yung isa sa affected sa ng FTX kasi medyo ito yung basta hindi ako ayoko magbigay ng statement with regards here kasi konti lang yung alam ko, so ayoko maging magmarunong sa nangyayari kasi iilan lang ang chine-check ko sa crypto. That's BTC, XRP, and Ethereum. So most of the time yung news, especially now, is dinadaan-daanan ko, and I think last weekend yata doon ko lang medyo naintindihan yung nangyari sa FTX. Salamat sa ating YouTube at kay Coin Bureau, which is one of the crypto channel na sinusubaybayan natin. Meron mag-isang channel na siya yung nagbigay ng mas maliwanag na explanation doon sa nangyayari sa FTX. Okay, so let's pick at least 2 stocks more. Okay, so tingnan natin kung yesterday aling stocks ang nasa top volume natin. So aside sa mga ETFs or the exchange traded fund, namumuna dyan is Microsoft. Okay, tingnan natin si Microsoft kung ano ba ang meron sa kanya. Okay, Microsoft on a daily. So pwedeng bigyan lang ng ganung bias, diba? So dapat mas meron tayong malawak na nakikita. Okay, so the bias is of course in general Microsoft is still on a downtrend because the price is of course under 200 EMA, and kung mapapansin mo, kung lalagyan natin yan ng trend again, is downtrend pa rin siya. But on the short term, nasa tungtong siya dito sa ating 200 moving average, diba? I mean sa 50 moving average natin. And posible na meron tayong makitang trade na papunta dito. So here's another case naman sa stock. So since ang stock is hindi siya kagaya ng commodities, ng mga index na mostly open ang market, diba? From 7 to I think 7 a.m. or 6, meron lang ata silang break na 1 hour, and hindi siya kagaya ng forex na 24/5 na bukas, and of course crypto na 24/7. The case ng stock, especially the US stock, is open lang siya from today is daylight DST, diba? So 10:30 p.m. up until what 6 a.m. around that time. So yun yung kanyang open, but it doesn't mean na hindi natin siya pwedeng i-trade. So there is a way to trade it, swing trade or day trade. But in this case, or in this morning with morning swing with yours truly, BAI ROLLY, swing trade natin is on a daily bias, and setup natin is a 1 hour, and then we will try to set an order, limit or stop order kapag meron tayong opportunity na nakikita, and we will share it with you kung ano yung development ng ating trade. Okay, so that being said, let's see kung ano ang ginagawa ni Arlie, kung meron ba tayong setup makikita. So we are looking for a bounce going to the 200 PMA. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong makikita. It seems wala pa. Medyo malabo pa yung ating chart, but we are looking for this one na ma-clear niya muna yan before we could use this as our trading void, diba? Yan. So good. The price is now on above ng ating 50 moving average, and that's good then kasi yung ating trend line siguro is malapit nang mag-break. So this trend has been broken, but meron na tayong bagong pivot point, this one, and good, na-break na rin yan, and this one is yes, na-break na din. So that's a very good sign. So let's mark Microsoft as red, of course. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, hirap pala yan eh. Yan. Okay, so that's it. That's it, mga bay. Saan ba tayo? Aha. Oh. Yan. Time check, it's 10:59. Medyo kinakapos na tayo ng oras. And hopefully, Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating munting programa. Sana po ay may napulot po kayong konting kaalaman today dito sa ating munting tambayan. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, pakilagay nyo lang po dyan sa ating comment section, and sisikapin po natin sagutin sa abot ng ating kakaya. So yan po ang ating Facebook, nasa Twitter din po tayo, and meron din po tayong email. If you find this topic or show interesting, then you can contact me and send some questions kung meron po kayo, and sisikapin po natin masagot. So paalam po, paalam. Ayaw pa lang ating camera. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.